In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your Instagram account. Verifying your account can be a great way to boost your credibility and let others know that your account is authentic. So, let's get started and walk through the process step by step. First things first, you'll need to open up your Instagram app or go to the website on your browser. Make sure you're logged into the account you wish to verify. Once you're in, you'll want to direct your attention to the left side of the screen. You'll see a variety of options there, and what we're looking for is the More button. This is typically represented by 3 horizontal lines or a similar icon. Click on it to open up a drop-down menu. Now from this menu, you'll see several options, but we want to focus on Settings. This is where you can manage all sorts of things about your account, from privacy settings to notification preferences. Go ahead and click on Settings, and this will open up a new section. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for an option labeled Meta Verified. This is usually located on the left-hand side as well. The Meta Verified section is specifically designed for account verification and other authentication settings. Click on Meta Verified to proceed to the next step. Now, in the Meta Verified section, you may be prompted to provide certain information to prove your identity. This can include things like a government-issued ID, official documentation that confirms your identity, or any other supporting materials. It's important to ensure that the information you provide is accurate and up-to-date, as this will help in the verification process. Once you've submitted the required information, the next step is to wait for Instagram to review your application. It's important to note that getting verified isn't guaranteed for everyone, and Instagram has specific criteria they use to assess verification requests. Typically, they look for accounts that are authentic, unique, complete, and notable. This means your account should represent a real person, brand, or entity, be the unique presence of that person or business, have a complete profile with all the necessary details, and be well known or highly searched for. While you wait for a response, ensure that your account remains active and continue to engage with your audience. Keep your profile public and consistently post content that aligns with your brand or identity. This can increase your chances of getting that coveted blue checkmark. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've taken the necessary actions to request verification for your Instagram account. Remember, patience is key, and whether or not you get verified, what matters most is the authenticity and engagement of your community. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your verification journey.